How's it going, guys? This is my first daily trade review. Gonna be trying to be doing this every day. I take a trade, and today, not so hot. So as you can see today, shout out Topstep for having a horrible dashboard where it doesn't show me, even though I'm clicking today, it doesn't show me the stats for today. Thank you, Topstep. And well, let's just scroll down here. So 350 on the day. If you saw my short, you know what happened. I just kind of got caught. I got finessed. We didn't test IB high or IB low on NQ, which happens probably less than a fifth of the time. You know, usually get a test of one of the two, and we were within 10 points of IB high, and I was long, trying to get profit at IB high. Took an initial before, we pull back, I add, we pull back even more, and we just kind of stay slowly pulling back. We don't reverse completely. We kind of stay within a wedge structure until end of day, and I get stopped out. I had added, and I just get closed out, and that's where I was, minus 350. We're up 80, and ending minus 350. So yeah, that's not ideal at all. So that's the story with that account. You will be saying to yourself, like, why are your losers bigger than your winners? And that's really just because I was that confident that the level would get tested, and I took the gamble and I paid the price. So it is what it is. I was willing to risk that. Wasn't risking my whole account. We're obviously still back basically to where we started. This account has like 500 bucks, 600 bucks. So it's really not that big of a deal to me. We already took a payout. What's more important is that I get a good start on the other fresh XFAs. And so yeah, today, not a good day on this account. You can see, obviously, worst trade to best trade doesn't make sense. It's too close, and obviously we didn't get any extension. Let's get into the price action for this one real quick. Let's look at the 5 minute. So we have IB high right here. We broke out of this sort of wedge. So I was like, all right, I'll take a shot long with the consideration we could pull back deeper, and I'd add right around the 50s. So boom, I get in, take profit at this previous high, and then we pull back. I add at the breakout area. I like the add. We pull out deeper. This is where I wanted my original add. I don't hate this. And then this is where I just don't get my follow through. And maybe in hindsight, I should have just cut my loss below these lows, given we had a triple bottom here. And yeah, once that gets broken. But that's just hard, you know, because like, do you take the loss, or do you just kind of wait for the pullback deeper and add where you think it's going to pull back to? This sort of triple top on the 5 minute with the 100 EMA. So I made the decision to just take the pullback and handle that. But see, look at the price. We just didn't do anything. We just held in this wedge, and pretty disappointing. But it is unusual for price to not test IB high or IB low. So I'm going to chalk it up to an anomaly. I'll take my loss. It is what it is. Try to ignore how schizophrenic this looks. But you see, ES is still in this overall buying channel. So that's why I was still bullish. I'm like, as long as this low does not get taken on ES, like I figured NQ would do the divergence. Like, that's okay. I could see that happening. But I just didn't have enough time in the day to let my trade play out. On the other account though, nice winning day today, 260. And this was a long in the overnight, because that's how it's been. I've been getting cleaner trades overnight, and the New York session has been super, super unimpressive. So yeah, that's just kind of how it's been. I got that trade overnight, boom, locked it in. And then the third XFA, there was 0 trades. The actual good trade I had was right here, short, added here, took profit, and this was, we broke value area low, previous support turned into resistance. So yeah, like we were saying, this other account, we got the win, nice little short, and just called it there. So overall, still good. Not the best start. Overall, we're down like 100 bucks across all the funded, but you know, it's just one of those days. Sometimes you got to take them. You got to take these days, and yeah, we'll just see tomorrow. Maybe I get another good trade overnight. So we'll see. So yeah, that was my trade review. Hope you guys enjoyed. Keeping it transparent. I don't like to show this. Trust me, I don't like to show this. Trades like this where the market just finesses me. It just plays with me. I just kind of look dumb here. Continuing to add to the loser, I just kind of look dumb. But if I get that pop and I get that follow through, then I look like I was a smart ad. So that's just kind of the game you play. I was following my plan. it was just a higher time frame trade, and I didn't get the time to watch it play out. So it is what it is, y'all. We move on tomorrow. So if you guys enjoyed the transparency, and let me know how y'all did today. If y'all struggled as well, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.